we are evolving together into something that we will not even recognize by the time we're done with this experiment on Earth. I love that I can live this life with other people like you that are waking up to their inherent divinity, to a sense of purpose that comes from beyond and yet within each of us. I love my life because I get to dream it as I wish, because I've realized that I'm a creator, that each of us has this creative ability to make of our life as we wish. And when we make it as we wish with the intent that it is for the benefit of all beings, then we have a wave of grace that's literally pushing us from behind and pulling us forward. And life loves us so much that we get to become a part of it.